Hi, it's Tiff and
Khary.
And today, how to Foodie Nation, we have a comfort food, a rainy day comfort food.
And I see you have your rainy day sweater.
Come on,
ready,
I'm in the mood. I'm in the mood.
Right?
Get into this pumpkin soup.
Curry pumpkin soup.
I'm not going to say with a twist.
With a twist.
Come on, elevated pumpkin soup.
All right, Tiff, so we're going to roast this pumpkin. First thing is we're going to season it. So, here what? You season, I will do the dirty work and I will mix up, right?
So I'm going to pour oil first.
Nice.
So all over.
2 tablespoons there.
Right, just to coat it.
Yep, let's go in with some salt one time. And the nice thing about pumpkin has a sweetness to it, a natural sweetness.
And of course, we could always add more salt.
But you can't take out.
Correct,
right?
so we should be good there.
And thing, a little black pepper. I see that there, the little extra salt.
Yeah.
You like salt?
I mean, I know you love salt.
I do. a little too much.
We got here a little more?
A little more.
Sure. A little more again?
Nah, I think we're good
That's
there
good
because
there.
going in
And
with
then
the curry.
how much curry?
We're going brave.
All right, well, hey. We know pumpkin and curry
How you mean?
go well together.
Very well. Match made in heaven.
You want all or?
Yeah, I'll take all.
Eh.
Right, and I'll just mix everything in together.
Oh, this smells so good already.
And you could do this in a bowl and stuff as well, but this is going in the oven.
Right, I'll hold it
And
for you.
that's dirty less ways.
True,
So,
yes.
right, so I'll just mix
Work
it in
smart,
the
not
tray
hard.
one time because this is going in a 400-degree oven in a second.
And for how long?
For 25 to 30 minutes, or visually
Until
until it's like caramelized, it softens well, because we're making a nice soup today. There's one of those things when it's a rainy day out and you want something comforting, warm, and
like a warm hug.
Yeah, a warm hug. That's a good description. I like that.
Yeah. Don't worry, when we taste it, I'll tell you for sure if it really tastes like a warm hug.
Like a warm hug.
All right, so we're gonna wrap up here, put this in the oven, and we'll be back with the rest of the steps. All right, so let me know what we're gonna do now.
All right, so we're gonna get the soup going, and first thing goes the olive oil.
Ooh, that pot is ready. Look at the bubble.
Hot.
Hey, we can turn it down a bit.
Yeah. But this could also go fast because since we're doing something liquid,
right?
And goes the onions. There's a medium onion there.
All right.
People will say always giving you the hard work, Tiff.
Hey, so this smells good already.
Yeah, and we're looking
so it goes already.
So we want this to get shiny. We want it to
a little translucent.
Slightly, like not really, because we add in some other ingredients here right after.
All right, no problem.
So yeah, it's going now fast, which is good for us. I actually don't mind the caramelization happening on the onions. You see you get a little bit of color there?
Yeah.
Because that'll give a depth of flavor. We're looking for those warm flavors. Rainy day, comfort food.
Yeah.
Then you want that, the sugars in the onions to develop. You want, well. So
and our favorite.
I am adding a ton of garlic here.
Come on.
Because
the thing is, you're not even going to taste it like that by the time everything cooks.
Exactly. You're not going to end up with garlic breath. You and the significant other wouldn't run away from you.
Oh, and ginger.
Ginger, yep. That'll give it a depth of flavor.
For sure. Again, wow, smelly ginger now with everything. Ooh.
See how that changed the game?
It did.
All right, let's change the game a little bit more. Curry powder.
Ooh, hello.
2 tablespoons there. And we want to parch it, and right after we parch it, so yeah.
Oh, the smell.
So we want to bloom it as well. So you're going to add some water.
Right.
And that's about a cup of water.
Hey.
So that's to bloom the spice, because again, if you don't cook curry well, it may upset some people's stomach.
Yes.
So you want to make sure and cook that out.
We don't like that curry
Add some water. What's going to happen here is that we need to keep this stirring until it comes down to almost dry again. Not quite dry, but almost dry again.
Right.
So let's give this a little time.
All right. Is this what we...
You're doing a great job there, Tiff, and this is what we're looking for. We're looking for it to almost dry down.
Right.
And at this stage, we can add
some pimento
sauce.
Another layer to the flavor.
To the flavor, yeah. We add in. I don't know about you, but I really like pimento.
Well, I realize that because I think, all right, too. Hey, and it's 4 weeks. Wow, you really like this pimento sauce.
Well, you see, when we add the pumpkin, which is actually going in right now.
Right.
And the liquid and all these kind of things like that, the flavor will be dispersed throughout, and you want to taste that is there.
For sure.
All right, so Very nice. Our roasted pumpkin that was spiced with curry and
yeah, and you're seeing it
all
on
that.
the, you know, the little glow on the sheet.
Yep.
And
Everybody
we are good
going
to
on.
go. Perfect.
Nice.
You know, I've made pumpkin soup before, but nothing like this.
Really?
Yeah.
So just like straight.
Just simple.
Yeah?
Simple. Just pumpkin is the start of the show.
Well, here what?
Well, like that we added the curry. Like
Yeah.
I'm excited to taste and see, you know.
Yeah, and then later on when you hit that with coconut milk and stuff in the curry. Yeah. So in goes some vegetable stock now.
Lovely.
Because, you know, we need liquid to make a soup.
Of course. And also vegetable stock adds more flavor.
More flavor, depth,
Correct.
another dimension.
Now, Khary, something here. Can we freeze the soup?
Oh, for sure. You know, so you could batch prepare this. You could make
Right.
it in advance and have it in appropriately sized containers if you want to
Right, and
grab
portion
one.
it out.
If you want to go to work, to school, whatever the case may be.
And
it freezes well, it keeps well, and I don't know, maybe even months in the freezer.
oh, awesome. And in terms of other vegetables, because you know sometimes pumpkin could get crazy
Yeah,
expensive.
it could become Mr. Pumpkin. Yeah.
Yes.
So, funny enough, what I've seen, we have local squash.
Right.
Local squash tends to be cheaper than pumpkin sometimes. So, sometimes
Right.
if the pumpkin itself is expensive, you could go with local squash. You could go
Awesome.
with carrots, you could go with
Okay.
whatever vegetables you like.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, and the oven's going off there because I had some bread toasting for this
Ooh,
soup.
for the side.
Oh,
A
yes.
little sam.
Right, Tiff, so we're actually going to let this simmer for a little bit.
Sure.
You could do it covered.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're going to cover that. Let that
Perfect.
simmer.
And
we looking
temperature wise, what
temperature wise, you could go with medium high.
medium? Okay.
Yeah, medium high. We want the
So-
pumpkin to get very tender.
Very tender. Well, sometimes I have to break up already, so I know we'll be there soon.
Yeah. All right, Tiff. So we're gonna do our garnish for the
Oh,
top of the soup,
fancy.
right? All right. So some pumpkin seeds going
Papa.
into a medium heat pan. 'Cause you know
Hey,
pumpkin
what's
seeds
that?
has
A little
a little movement
hey.
happening there. Right. So we want to toast them.
Perfect.
And when we toast it, the heat will start bringing out the natural oils in it. So you wouldn't see oil coming out in the pan.
Right, but
right?
of course they will just
they'll
naturally,
start to-
they wouldn't stick to the pan.
Yeah, exactly.
Basically.
You know, so we're toasting these and we're starting to get that nutty
Is
flavor.
the
The little crackles, right?
Yeah, snap, crackle, and
I
pop.
don't think hearing that through the thing. They should.
Most likely, you know, come on mic closer. Don't mind me.
Yeah, and once we start getting that, we'll give it
Oh,
a
I'm
little
smelling
toss.
it already. Oh, wow.
Right?
Oh,
Yeah.
look, you
So,
see?
yeah. So we'll be quick with this one because of the fat content and seeds and nuts and stuff like this. You need to work fast with it. And of
Gotcha.
course, yeah, so we
This
just
is so cute.
being careful. So yeah, you see how that glisten you see on the outside?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the oil starting to come up to the surface of the pumpkin
Awesome.
seeds. So at this point, you could drizzle your allspice
Papa.
with some real Caribbean flavors here.
A little slice. So let me give it a little.
Yeah, give me a toss, give me a toss. You see how good your flick of
Sorry.
the wrist is?
Nah, higher. Higher.
And we're almost there, you know, Tiff? Yeah. And I think we're good to go.
Come on.
Right? All
Look at that. Hey.
All right, Tiff, this thing is nicely simmering. It's
Oh, look
tender.
at it.
Let me
Look at it.
show you. So what you're looking for is this. And
Okay.
once it slips off,
Perfect.
you know it's cooked all the
Good
way
to
through.
go.
Good to go. So an immersion blender will do easy work with
Easy
this.
work.
Yeah, immersion blender is a real lifesaver.
No,
you know,
it
like
is.
It makes life so easy.
You
So
can
here's
look-
what. We could switch this off,
Perfect.
right? And you want to start off at the bottom of the pot with
Yeah.
the immersion blender because you don't want it to splash.
Yeah, we don't want mess.
Yeah, and you use it like a spoon. You could stir it. Sometimes you
Right.
need to angle it either.
To
left
get,
or right.
especially with, as it's chunks, you need
Yeah,
to,
and you
yeah.
could like start it like this and do it like. But notice I'm
Awesome.
turning it off each time.
And also, of course, if you don't have an immersion blender, you could use a regular blender.
Yeah, but
But
you
of
just have
course-
to do it in batches.
And with the heat.
And with the heat now, be very careful.
And I'm gonna say, don't
overfill
and also don't
seal it.
because that could explode.
I've seen
With
it
the
happen.
heat, same. That's why.
Somebody thought they were peeling dashing leaf off the face.
It
They were
was
peeling
skin.
face off their face.
Oh, no.
Yeah, we don't want that.
Yeah, so safety
So,
first.
Work safe, please, and thanks. All right. So this is the consistency we're looking for.
Right. Good thick soup.
Yeah, but nice and smooth too. You want to get some heat on this again as we put in the coconut
Coconut
milk
milk.
because the heat.
You all right there, Khary?
Yeah. I'm good at cooking, not electrical. So, you know, I'll stay where my strengths are.
Oh, hey. So at what? Low heat, no problem.
Yeah,
All right, so we'll go,
Yeah, 3.5.
No
and this
problem.
is good.
Oh,
So yeah.
feel that. Ooh.
Right, so that is on the heavy side. And we're gonna add some coconut milk. So this is some nice coconut milk with some body.
Ooh.
So I'll add a cup at first. See how it goes.
Oh wow, and look,
Yeah,
you can just feel,
nice consistency right here.
You wanna feel and see?
Yeah, I will.
Because
So you're looking for that svelty,
No, I feel like
smooth-
as I put it in, it started to, I'm feeling it.
Yeah, you know, so before it was still kind of, it had almost a not really grainy texture, but
Yeah, but
you know, a little heavier than it should be. Now is like very
And even look how bright it is now.
yeah, and it coats the back of the spoon like that, you know.
You know what it smells like? Even though it doesn't have seafood, you know, sometimes that it has that, I don't know if it's the
Bisque
curry.
kinda
like a
smell,
yes, like
yeah.
a chowder, that kind of,
Yeah, and at this point we're almost done. So what you want to do is adjust your seasoning with salt and pepper. So you want to give it a little bit of a taste.
Okay, hold on, let me get a spoon.
Okay.
You know me, I'm going straight
inside. And if that is the case, I'm giving you the honor of doing
Oh gosh, no
the final
pressure.
seasoning. Because it wouldn't taste complete here yet. It needs that salt. Because we didn't put any in the recipe except for the pumpkin we roasted so far.
It definitely needs some salt.
Yeah, you know that Caribbean edge. You know, it's nice, you know, but it just need a little bit of salt, you know, that kind of way. I feel it could be brave.
No,
Yeah.
for sure. Like I was saying, it
But
need.
while you do that, let me give it a little stir. So we double team this here.
But you know, as I say, we put a little on taste.
What you could have done, Tiff,
Yeah.
to save you the time, was you take this and put it into a spoon. That way.
Well, well, my apologies. We could do that now.
Yeah, we get like this. No, you don't have to run back and rinse the spoon every time, because you're not double dipping.
We're almost there. You wanna go?
Almost
You
there?
wanna go ahead because my hand is a little wet.
Okay, well, I mean,
And you see, the thing is, sometimes I find you might have a salt content in your mind,
Yeah.
but the same thing like potato. It depends on what the potato decides to, how the
Right.
potato decides to behave. Same thing,
Yeah.
how the pumpkin decides to behave today.
that's true. And you know, some sweeter, some
Correct.
a little more.
And to be honest, when we were preparing it, the pumpkin smelled very sweet. It had that, you got the pumpkin, the body, the richness of the pumpkin to the smell.
All right, let's trust in you here today. So yeah, tell me if good to go or if we need something again.
Something again.
Something again.
Something again.
We could be doing this all day, guys.
All right. So we're gonna finish up with this soup and we'll be back. All right. Time
Tiff.
to taste test
My weapon.
of choice.
All right, Tiff, you know what? Ladies first.
I mean, okay. You know what? I'm gonna get a little bit of the pumpkin seed.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, like, oh.
Go on, like we. I think I'll follow suit with you there.
Oh wow. Hold on, I'm having a moment.
Go on.
It really tastes like a warm hug. It really,
I am joining you in that moment right now.
you understand? And then is it the nuts, the crunch is not like super crunchy, but it's just a, you know, a
And
change in texture, the
And
allspice.
The boldness of the allspice.
Yeah, and then you're
the-
literally going through as a journey. You get any curry, you get any pumpkin, the
you get
sweetness, the
coconut,
coconut,
the creaminess of the coconut.
and then just the little salt at the end.
That's what we're saying, Tim. That's what we're saying. I go in
Oh,
here
wow.
again.
But you see again, everything here with the bread. Wow, y'all. Rainy day comfort food, pumpkin soup goodness. Y'all know where to find
I
it.
like
You know where to find your recipe in the description.
Down below.
Like, comment, subscribe, and follow along for more.